What's the purpose or why do we want to use WhatsApp for business? So, first of all, we need to understand that WhatsApp is probably the most used app for many people in many countries. I believe in your country. So when people use this app so much, it becomes a very useful tool for you to engage with your customer via this platform. Which is why nowadays you have new inventions like chatbots, which allows you to communicate with your customers via a chat messaging app like WhatsApp or Telegram or Facebook Messenger. More people are spending more time on their chat messaging apps. So it is a best or conducive place for you to interact with your customers. So having said that, you can use WhatsApp Business app to generate leads, a very useful lead generation tool. So your potential customers could send inquiries to you via WhatsApp. So imagine you have a customer who are browsing your company's website on their phone, and you have a button which they could tap and immediately it links to their WhatsApp. So and then you will open their WhatsApp app, which allows them to contact you immediately. It is also a very useful tool for customer support. When your customer has a problem or they need some kind of help, they can easily contact you via WhatsApp, and you will receive all their messages on the WhatsApp Business app. How about social updates? You want to update your customer about news and happenings about a company. You can do that with WhatsApp Business. It is just like having a Facebook page or a LinkedIn company page where you can post updates, activity about your company. You can do the same on WhatsApp Business app. And best of all, you can also send marketing messages to customers via WhatsApp. For example, if you have a discount or promotion or a sale, you can easily send messages to these customers. But do note that you can only send these marketing messages to customers who previously contacted you via WhatsApp, or those customers who you already have their contact details stored on your phone contact list. That way, you can easily retrieve their contacts and send these messages to them.